Hello, my name is Hyunsu. Today I will introduce about Korean traditional food and clothes. First, I will introduce about kimchi. Second, I will introduce about bibimbap. And last is I will introduce about bulgogi. First, introduction to kimchi. This is explanation of kimchi. Number 1. Korean's representative vegetables fermented food. Number 2. Food fermented with various vegetables such as radish, cabbage, cucumber, etc. Sorted and seasoned. Number 3. After hosting the 1988 Seoul Olympics, kimchi became a global food. Types of kimchi. Cubed radish kimchi. The royal court also called it the radish sonji because it was made by cutting it into small pieces. At that time, the name was Bulgogi to remove the poisons. Cabbage kimchi. One of the types of kimchi is kimchi made by splitting whole cabbages, marinating them in salted water, and mixing them with seasoning. Water kimchi. Kimchi with a lot of soup. The amount of soup is usually more than the solid ingredients. It refers to kimchi that has a large amount of soup for the purpose of eating the soup as well as kimchi that is delicious. Second, introduction of bibimbap. What is bibimbap? Bibimbap, also stir-fried rice, is one of the representative Korean dishes, which is mixed with meat, vegetables, eggs, and other species such as red pepper paste and sesame oil. It is also called bibimbap, and golden bap. Also the corded bibimbap. Contents of bibimbap. There are numerous recipes that have one name, bibimbap, but have a completely different taste. Jeonju bibimbap, the most famous bibimbap, does not have only one recipe because each house has different ingredients. You can just add eggs without vegetables and season with soy sauce and sesame oil. Bean sprout bibimbap with soy sauce, sprout bibimbap with red pepper paste, etc. You just mix it and it's bibimbap. Third, introduction to bulgogi. What is bulgogi? I will introduce about history of bulgogi. Korean traditional meat roast, including bulgogi, originated from Maehol, which was eaten during Goguryeo. Maehol refers to meat marinated in soy sauce and grilled on skewer. It has not been clearly studied since when the word bulgogi was used, but it is presumed that bulgogi was used instead of nobiani from the end of the Japanese colonial period to the post-liberation period. How to make bulgogi? Bulgogi is a traditional Korean meat dish made by marinating beef and sauce, adding vegetables and cooking them. The one made from pork is also called pork bulgogi. It is described as a dish that is sliced beef, pat with the back of a knife, and tenderized with bamboo skewers, seasoned with soy sauce and grilled over charcoal when for observed. This is the end of introducing Korean's representative food. Thank you. I will continue to explain about hanbok. First, I will introduce hanbok to you. It grounds well. Second, about hanbok. Hanbok is a Korean clothes which is our country traditional clothes. Number 3, kind of hanbok. There is some difference between men's and women's hanbok. Women wear joguri and chima. Chima is similar to western skirt, and men wear joki and baji. First, hanbok's pros. The beauty of curves is the most important thing when we talk about hanbok's beauty. Second, the hanbok's cons. we can feel a little bit inconvenient when we try to wear a hanbok sometimes. What is hanbok's construction? The beauty of curves is the most important thing when we talk about hanbok's beauty. Hanbok is the traditional costume of our country. It is also popular to foreigners. People make it by using most of five colors. Five colors are red, yellow, blue, black, and white. Conclusion: male's hanbok is consistent with joggery and baji. Baji means trouser. As the basic clothes, and up the heat charms with vest and magoja, which is a short top coat we wear over the joggery. Female's hanbok has a short jacket which we call the joggery, and their skirts are to provide sufficient harmony with the joggery, and it looks elegant and neat. Kind. Basic color of hanboks are white but depends on season and social position. There are difference in how to wearing them, color and material they use. Thank you to watch our video.